How to add live effect to any photo on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. In the latest Samsung device, you can see different new Galaxy AI feature, folder, remaster, wall background effect, and many more AI feature to use or add the background live background effect on any photo. Open the gallery application on your device. Select the photo we want to add background effect. So here we open the camera. Now we select this photo on my device. Now swipe up the photo to check the available option. Here you can find the different option. So make sure live effect is available on your device. So tap the live effect option on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So tap on a live effect and you can see adding the live effect to your Samsung S25 Ultra. You can also set is to wallpaper also like this. Set wallpaper, save copy, share with your friend. So let's set as a wallpaper. Now preparing wallpaper. So you can add live effect to any of your gallery photo and set it to wallpaper or home screen, lock screen. So here we select the lock screen option. Also set the qual background. Now here you can see how it looks on your lock screen. You can see add the wallpaper effect. Tap on a done to save the live wallpaper effect on your lock screen. So quite easy. That's it. If you like it, share it.